Let me show you how to make the creepiest, cheesiest corn fritters using just your air fryer. These golden bites are the perfect combination of sweet corn and melted cheese with a satisfying crunch. Start with 2 tablespoons of cooked corn kernels in a mixing bowl. Crack in 1 whole egg. This will bind everything together. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch for that perfect crisp texture and a spoon of oil to have it all turn golden brown. Mix until every kernel is evenly coated. Transfer the mixture to your air fryer basket, spreading it into an even layer. Now for the magic ingredient, a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese that will melt into a gorgeous golden blanket over the corn. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius and let it work its magic for 15 minutes. When the timer goes off, you will be greeted with perfectly crispy edges and bubbling cheese. Finish it with a dusting of sugar and sesame seeds for that sweet savory contrast that makes this so addictive. The first bite gives you everything: the crackle of the crispy butter, the stretch of melted cheese, and sweat bars of corn kernels. This isn't just a snack, it's a texture heaven that proves simple ingredients can be extraordinary.